I am Shamsul Alam Patwari, Senior Lecturer in Management, Dhaka, Mega City College. Dear students, how are you? Oh yes, thank you. I am fine. Okay, dear students, what of the subject we discussed about our previous class? Feature of sole proprietorship business. Now today's topic is feature or character of partnership business. Characteristics of partnership business. Now write down on your copy. When two or more persons forms an organization according to the agreement is called partnership business. So number one character, write down on your copy formation. Partnership business is formed according to the Partnership Act 1932. But there is no legal complexity for forming partnership business as like as joint stock company business or state enterprise. Contract. The main base of partnership business is contract. Contract can be classified into three types. Oral, written and registration. Member. In case of ordinary partnership business, minimum member is 2 and maximum member is 20. And in case of banking partnership business, minimum member is 2 and maximum member is 10. Rihan, how many members are there in ordinary partnership business? 2 to 20. Thank you. Paranjahin, how many members are there in banking partnership business? Maximum member or minimum member? 2 to 10. Thank you very much. profit distribution. The profit of the partnership business will be distributed according to the agreement, according to the partnership agreement. On the other hand, if there is no precondition, profit will be distributed to the partnership member equally. Registration. The registration of partnership business is not mandatory. Without registration or unregistered partnership business member can take legal action for maximum 100 taka for another member or third party of the business. But registered partnership business member can claim maximum any amount of money for another member of partnership business or third party of partnership business. Sharif, can you tell me unregistered partnership business member can claim maximum how much money? 100 taka. Shakil, can you tell me, is the registration of partnership business mandatory? No. The registration of partnership business member, business registration is not mandatory. Liability. Liability of the partnership business member is unlimited. The liability of partnership business member is unlimited. Control. All the member or selected member control the partnership business. All the member or selected member control the partnership business. Olet, can you tell me which is the base of partnership business? Contract. The main base of partnership business is contract. Thank you. Waisbullah, can you tell me What is the liability of partnership business member? Unlimited. Yes. Thank you. Wise Billah. So partnership business operates all the member or selected member. Dear students, now write down your today's question. Write the characteristics of partnership business. Write the characteristics of partnership business. Okay? Best of luck. See you again. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.